my channel. I hate long intros, so we're going to get right into it. Today is day 9 of Vlogmas, Craftmas, or Crochetmas, whatever it is that I officially title this. And it's day 9 and I still don't have a title officially anyway. So today I am making my dear friend Candace another part to her dice set. This, I think, is part 3 because I made a D20 and a D4, so this is the D6. I'm kind of making them out of order randomly as I have time. Eventually I hope to get all of the dice, but we'll see. So to start this off, I'm going to use the same frosty green that I used before and the same gold yarn as I did for the D20 and D4. And I'm going to just crochet 6 squares. That's pretty much all the D6 is 6 squares, and then you sew them together. I didn't really use a pattern or anything. I kind of just threw it down on my cutting mat to measure it to make sure it was the right size, and that was about it. You know, typical Megan fashion with no pattern, just a loose idea. So that's what I went with. The same as the D20 and D4. I feel like sewing this together took so long. The D20 obviously took the longest, but oh man, it was kind of ridiculous. I'm just going to whip stitch these together. I kind of did like an X sort of whip stitch because I went over once and then did a second pass just to make sure that it was fully secured. I sort of tried to do like a Lord of the Rings, Elven, maybe Dwarven, I guess, type of style. That was kind of my theme going into it. I just kind of wanted those types of vibes, not so much something exact, just, you know, kind of in that realm. The sewing of these little panels together, it was ridiculous. It took so long. I sat here sewing for just such an incredibly long period of time. My fingers started hurting from the needle. It wasn't quite as bad as the D20, but man, I wanted to be done. I was like, I completed the project. I did the panels, I did all the things. I just want to be done. But I gotta sew it up and then stuff it. I was very careful when stuffing this one because I didn't want to have weird empty corners. So stuffing it was a little stressful because I had to keep like, you know, poking the stuffing into the corners, and I didn't want it to be overstuffed where it would be kind of roundy where it was overstuffed. So it was a little complicated. Not too much so, but after all that sewing, I felt a little frustrated by this project. But here's my favorite part, my absolute favorite part, painting on the numbers. I didn't look at any fonts or anything. I'm not sure that I could paint on a font. I'm not talented in that way. So I just used my actual handwriting for this, so hopefully Candace is fine with that. I was really excited to do this project even with the time sink that is sewing for this project. I hope that Candace really likes her D6. I have been really happy with all of the dice so far. And now that we are at the end of the video, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this project. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it, subscribe if you'd like to see more, hit the bell button to be notified when I upload next. And thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!